My affiliate site was a ghost town. I'm not kidding, it was crickets. I poured hours, weeks, then months of my life into creating what I thought was top-tier content. I was building backlinks, obsessing over keywords, and doing everything the so-called gurus preach. My reward? A flatlining analytics graph that was just a painful daily reminder that I was failing. It felt like I was shouting into a void, completely wasting my time, my energy, and my will to keep going. Honestly, I was this close to quitting. I was ready to pull the plug on the whole project, chalk it up as another failed side hustle, and just walk away. But right when I was about to throw in the towel, everything changed. I stopped following the same tired advice everyone else was and started digging into the corners of the internet most people ignore. That's where I found them. 3 unconventional traffic sources that felt almost too simple to actually work. The result, my visitor count didn't just grow. It exploded. The ghost town turned into a thriving city. And today, I'm showing you the exact 3 strategies I use to get a flood of free targeted visitors to my site. These are the powerful methods that are set to be huge in 2025, and by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint you can copy for your own sites. First up, let's talk about Quanda sites. Now, your mind probably jumps straight to Quora and Reddit, and you might be thinking, been there, done that. But I'm not talking about just spamming your links and hoping for the best. That's a one-way ticket to getting banned. I'm talking about a strategy I call the Quanda Authority method. It's all about becoming the go-to trusted expert in your niche on platforms where millions of people are actively looking for help. Think about it. The people on these sites have a specific problem and are literally asking for a solution. Your affiliate product is that solution. You just have to connect the dots for them in a way that builds trust, not suspicion. Here's how it works, step by step. First, create a rock-solid, optimized profile. This is your home base. Get a professional-looking profile picture and write a bio that clearly says who you are, what you specialize in, and subtly hints at the value you bring. You can often drop a link here, but don't use a raw affiliate link. Link to your blog or homepage. This is your one free pass to promote your main hub, so make it count. Step 2 is finding the right questions. This is where the real work begins. Use the search bar and type in keywords related to your niche and the problems your products solve. But here's the key. Don't just jump on the most popular questions with hundreds of answers. You're hunting for hidden gems. Questions with a decent number of followers, which shows high interest but with only a few low-quality answers. That's your opening. Step 3 is to craft the perfect answer. Your goal is to provide more value in your single answer than everyone else combined. Don't just write a sentence or two. Write a detailed, helpful mini blog post. Structure it, give it an intro, a body that breaks down the solution, and a conclusion. Give away your best advice for free. Finally, step 4, the strategic link drop. After you've provided a ton of value, and only then can you gently point them toward your affiliate offer. The trick is to make it feel like a natural next step, not a sleazy ad. For instance, if you're promoting project management software, you find a question like, how can a small team manage tasks without getting overwhelmed? Your answer would detail different methods, pros and cons, and then you'd say something like, my team personally found that tools with a visual timeline were a game changer. We use your affiliate product, and I actually wrote a full review on my blog showing how we set it up for max productivity. You can check it out here. The link goes to your review post, which then contains your affiliate links. You were helpful, not spammy. That's how you build authority. Hate the idea of being on camera? This next source is for you. We're talking about creating a faceless content machine using the powerful organic reach of platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest idea pins. In 2025, you do not need to be a dancing, pointing influencer to get traction. The algorithms on these platforms are designed to push engaging content regardless of who's making it. The strategy is simple. Deliver quick, high-value infotainment that makes the viewer curious enough to want more. Step 1. Choose your format. You never have to show your face. You can create simple videos using stock footage with text overlays. You can do screen recordings where you demonstrate how to do something. Step 2 is scripting for value bombs. Your goal is to create short 15 to 45-second videos that solve one tiny problem or deliver one powerful tip. Think 3 mistakes to avoid when, or the one hack that will save you 2 hours a week. Keep it fast, punchy, and get straight to the point. Step 3 is the creation process, and it's way easier than you think. Let's say you're using Canva. You pick a video template, search their library for a relevant stock video, add your text overlays with your value bomb script, and then add a trending audio clip right inside the app to help boost your reach. You can honestly batch create an entire week's worth of content in a single afternoon. Step 4, and this is critical, is the call to action. The video itself rarely contains a link. The whole point of your short, value-packed video is to be so helpful or interesting that people are compelled to click on your profile. Your link in bio is everything. The video gives the what, and your affiliate site gives the how. For example, if you promote kitchen gadgets, a faceless short could be a top-down shot of hands using a cool vegetable chopper with text on screen. The fastest way to chop onions without crying. The caption then says, "Find this kitchen saver at the link in my bio." It's a simple, repeatable system for driving highly motivated traffic. Now we'll jump into our third and final traffic source, which might just be the most overlooked and powerful strategy of them all. This last method requires the most patience, but believe me, it delivers the highest quality traffic you will ever get. Forget old-school guest posting. I call this the community integration strategy. This is about finding the digital campfires where your ideal customers hang out online. We're talking niche forums, private Facebook groups, and dedicated Discord servers, and becoming a valued, trusted member of that group. Why does this work so well? Because these communities are filled with passionate, hyper-targeted people. They have a built-in trust for one another and a strong BS meter for outsiders who are just there to sell. If you can earn their trust, a single recommendation from you carries more weight than 100 paid ads. Here's your 4-step plan. First, find the right communities. Use search terms on Facebook, Reddit, and Google like your niche plus forum or your niche plus community. Look for groups that are active, engaged, and this is important, have strict rules against spamming. That's a good sign. It means the community is protected and actually valuable. Step 2 is all about the 90/10 rule. For the first few weeks, your only job is to provide value. You need to become a familiar, helpful face. For every 10 posts or comments you make, 9 of them should be purely helpful with 0 links or self-promotion. Answer questions, share your own experiences, celebrate other people's wins, and just be a great community member. Step 3 is earning the right to post your link. Once you're a recognized name that people listen to, you can finally deploy that 10th post. This is where you strategically share a link to a relevant blog post or a helpful review on your site. You don't just drop it and run. The final step, step 4, is the subtle signature. While not all platforms support this, especially modern ones like Facebook or Discord, many traditional forums still allow you to have a signature at the bottom of every post. Now, every helpful post you make is passively funneling curious members back to your world. And that's it. 3 unconventional traffic sources that can absolutely transform your affiliate site's growth in 2025. First, becoming a true Q&A authority on sites like Quora and Reddit. Second, building a faceless content powerhouse on YouTube, Shorts and TikTok to tap into massive organic reach. And third, using the community integration strategy to become a trusted voice in the niche forums your customers already love. You see the pattern here, right? It all comes down to one thing: value. This is a shift from chasing quick, low-quality clicks to earning high-quality targeted traffic. When you genuinely focus on solving problems and being helpful, the traffic finds you. And when the traffic is that targeted, the commissions are right behind it. And finally, if this video gave you a clear plan and a shot of inspiration, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. I have a question for you. Which of these 3 traffic sources are you most excited to try first? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.